Alright. We'll have a better look at it later, people. But yeah, count the skulls, man. What's up, mate? What's up, man? What's it losing? Oh, fuck. What, dead or just jumping off? I hope you're right. Jay, down there, man.
G'day there, how you going? My name's Jack. This is my Indian Scout Bobber. Had it for a year now. Loving it. If you've thought about getting one, go for a ride. Give it a try.
Oh man, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. He was saying this red one was the only one in Australia for a whole year. I want to see that again. That was nice.
matey?
Hello, mate.
You still on your L's?
Yeah, man.
I met you here months ago.
Next month.
I met you here months ago.
Yeah, I know, the bobber.
Yeah, that's the one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How's the Duke going?
Yeah, good man, no complaints. So,
Yeah.
how's that thing?
Still doing alright, mate.
Fucking sounds nice.
Thanks, man. Thanks. The best bike for the bike, I reckon.
Yeah, not.
I've lost a bit of power, I won't lie, but, you know. No, I love the Dukes, man. Let's go. My mate got, now I got this. My mate's got the, his learners, and he wants to get the Duke or the RC.
All right, yep.
Yeah, but I'm trying to get the Duke. It looks, I prefer the look. It's the 17?
No, this 18.
18.
Have a good one, man.
You too.
Yeah, I'm here with Mr. Opinion. He's subscribed to me and he recognised the Duke. Certainly looks nice, guys. I hope the camera gives it justice. Get a bit of a look at the front.
2011 Yamaha V-Star Classic 650.
Customised to a bobber.
Yeah, customised to a bobber, yeah.
I like how it's nice and clean. Handlebars.
Yeah.
Oh yes, pretty loud. No flies on that. Give it a squirt now. Damn, gonna have a chat to this guy. Man, that's nice, bloke.
Yeah.
That's beautiful. Is that a new one or a
It's 50.
15 model?
Yeah.
Sweet. I'm following you thinking, what is it? Royal Enfield.
Yeah, really.
Say hello.
Hello.
Look at this bike, man. That's beautiful. A classic 500. What's your name? Justin. Good to meet you, man. That's a nice bike, bloke. You take care. Nice bike, bloke. Yeah, I seen one of those in Werribee not long ago. A blue one. Is that a 500? 500? Yeah, same one. Yeah, same one, man. Nice. What year's that? What year?
2 years back.
All right. The last one was 2015. The other guy's one.
Yeah.
I like him, man.
Yeah, I like to ride it. The value is pretty different.
The value?
The 390 style.
Oh, right, yeah.
Pretty different.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is all the new one now.
Yeah, the headlight too.
Anyway. It's nice, man. With no lights. Would you believe it? I don't know where we are. Pass on Kura Road. Gee, you came around all evening. Have a look miserably. The block probably just don't work. The other guys just all person is negligent. No backlight.
No brake light.
No, brake light, but nothing else. Just to let you know, yeah? Give him a couple of taps. Yeah, you don't want them behind you.